Hey y'all, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. If you're anything like me, you believe a little love and a whole lot of creativity can transform any space. Today, we're diving headfirst into some jaw-dropping DIY home renovations that are sure to inspire. We're talking dramatic before and afters, from cozy living rooms to dreamy kitchens and even outdoor oases. And the best part? You don't need a contractor or a bottomless budget to achieve these stunning transformations. So grab your paintbrushes and your tool belts, because we're about to unlock the magic of DIY together. Alright y'all, let's be honest, we've all got that one room in our house that's just begging for a little TLC. Maybe it's the living room where you long to kick back and relax, but instead, it's cluttered, outdated, and just doesn't feel like. Well, I'm here to tell you, you can transform that space without breaking the bank or hiring a team of professionals. First things first, let's roll up our sleeves and tackle the clutter. Donate what you can, and for the rest? Well, one person's trash is another person's treasure, right? Now that we've cleared the decks, let's talk layout. Think about how you actually use the space. Do you need more seating for family movie nights? Is the furniture blocking the natural light? Map out your dream living room, focusing on flow, functionality, and of course, style. Let's talk color. Painting is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to completely transform a room. For a modern farmhouse feel, I always gravitate towards light and airy hues. Think warm whites, soothing grays, or even a touch of pale blue. Now, for the fun part, furniture. You don't necessarily need to run out and buy brand new pieces. Sometimes a little love and a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Stepping back, you'll see a living room that feels brighter, more spacious, and most importantly, reflects. Y'all, the kitchen is the heart of the home, wouldn't you agree? It's where we gather, laugh, and share our lives with those we love. It's where we gather with loved ones, share meals, and create memories that last a lifetime. The kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a place to connect. But if your kitchen is feeling more tired than inspired, it's time for a makeover. A fresh new look can breathe life into your home. And don't worry, you don't need a contractor or a big budget to achieve a stunning transformation. With a bit of creativity and some elbow grease, you can do it yourself. Let's start with those cabinets. They are the backbone of your kitchen's aesthetic. They often take up the most visual real estate in the kitchen, so giving them a refresh can make a world of difference. A simple coat of paint can transform the entire room. First things first, remove those cabinet doors and drawers and give them a good cleaning. This step is essential to ensure the paint adheres properly. Then it's time to sand. Sanding is crucial for creating a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to, ensuring a professional finish. This step is crucial for creating a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to. Don't rush it. Take your time to get it right. Once you've sanded everything down, wipe away any dust and apply a primer. Primer helps the paint stick better and last longer. Now for the fun part, choosing your paint color. This is where you can really let your personality shine. For a classic farmhouse look, you can't go wrong with white. It's timeless and versatile. It brightens up the space and creates a clean slate. White cabinets can make your kitchen feel more open and airy. While the paint is drying, let's talk hardware. New knobs and pulls can make a huge difference. Swapping out those old, dated knobs and pulls can instantly elevate your cabinets. Think sleek brushed nickel, classic oil-rubbed bronze, or even whimsical ceramic knobs for a touch of charm. The right hardware can add personality and style to your kitchen. Now let's talk backsplash, the jewelry of the kitchen, as I like to call it. A beautiful backsplash can be a focal point. A stunning backsplash can add so much character and dimension to the space. It's an opportunity to add color, texture, and pattern. And the best part? You can find peel and stick tile options that are both budget-friendly and easy to install. No need for messy grout or complicated tools. Lighting is key in any room, but especially in the kitchen. Good lighting can make your kitchen more functional and inviting. Stepping back, you'll be amazed by the transformation. Your kitchen will look and feel brand new. Your kitchen now feels brighter, more spacious, and most importantly, a joy to cook in. It's a space where you can create new memories and enjoy every moment. Chapter 3: Bedroom Bliss, Creating a Cozy Retreat. Y'all, when it comes to creating a space that truly feels like home, the bedroom is at the top of the list. It's our sanctuary, a place to unwind after a long day and recharge for the next. But if your bedroom is feeling more drab than fab, it's time to infuse it with some personality and charm. Let's start with the walls. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, but if you're feeling adventurous, why not create a statement wall? Now let's talk furniture. You don't need to run out and buy a whole new bedroom set to make a big impact. Sometimes all it takes is a little upcycling to give your existing pieces a new lease on life. Textiles are your best friend when it comes to creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. A plush rug underfoot instantly warms up the space. Layer on the blankets. Think chunky knit throws, faux fur blankets, and soft quilts. Lighting can make or break a space, and the bedroom is no exception. Swap out those harsh overhead lights for softer, warmer options. Stepping back, you'll see a bedroom that's been transformed into a cozy, relaxing retreat. Chapter 4. Bathroom Oasis, spa-worthy style on a DIY budget. Alright y'all, let's talk bathrooms. This is one of the most important spaces in your home, and it deserves to be a place of relaxation and rejuvenation. It's easy to let this small but mighty space fall by the wayside. But I'm here to tell you, your bathroom deserves just as much love and attention as any other room in the house. A well-designed bathroom can make a huge difference in your daily routine. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to create a spa-worthy oasis right in your own home. With a few clever tricks and some DIY magic, you can transform your bathroom into a luxurious retreat. Let's start with those tiles. They can set the tone for the entire room. If your bathroom is sporting some outdated tile, don't despair. There's no need to rip everything out and start from scratch. You don't have to rip it all out and start from scratch. Instead, consider giving your tiles a fresh new look with tile paint. Tile paint is a game changer. It's an affordable and effective way to breathe new life into your bathroom. It's specifically designed to adhere to tile surfaces, and it comes in a wide variety of colors and finishes. You can choose a color that complements your overall design scheme. Just give your tiles a good cleaning, tape off any areas you don't want to paint, and apply the tile paint according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now let's talk storage. Bathrooms are notorious for being short on storage space, but there are plenty of clever DIY solutions that can help you maximize every inch. Think outside the box and get creative with your storage solutions. Floating shelves are a great option. They not only provide storage, but also add a touch of style to your bathroom. They're relatively easy to install, and they provide valuable storage space without taking up any floor space. You can use them to store towels, toiletries, and even decorative items. Lighting is crucial in any bathroom, but it's especially important in the vanity area. Proper lighting can make a world of difference. Good lighting is essential for applying makeup, shaving, and just generally feeling your best. Consider adding a mix of task and ambient lighting to create a well-lit and inviting space. And finally, let's bring in some greenery. Plants can thrive in the humid environment of a bathroom and add a touch of nature. Plants add life and vibrancy to any space, and the bathroom is no exception. Choose low-maintenance plants that can thrive in low light and high humidity. Stepping back, you'll be amazed by the transformation. Your bathroom will look and feel completely different. Your bathroom now feels like a serene and stylish oasis, a place where you can relax and pamper yourself after a long day. Enjoy your new spa-like retreat. Chapter 5. Outdoor Oasis, from overgrown to oh so inviting. Y'all, let's take this party outside. There's nothing quite like enjoying the fresh air and sunshine with friends and family. Our outdoor spaces are extensions of our homes, and they deserve just as much love and attention as our indoor spaces. A well-designed outdoor area can be a sanctuary, a place to unwind after a long day. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, there are endless possibilities for creating an outdoor oasis that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or simply enjoying the beauty of nature. The key is to make the most of the space you have. Let's start by taming that wilderness. An overgrown garden can be overwhelming, but with a little effort, it can be transformed into a beautiful retreat. Overgrown trees and shrubs can make your outdoor space feel dark and uninviting. It's important to keep them in check to allow light to filter through and create a more open and welcoming environment. Trim back any overgrown branches and consider removing any plants that are no longer thriving. This will not only improve the look of your space, but also promote healthier growth for the remaining plants. Once you've cleared out the clutter, you'll be amazed by how much bigger and brighter your space feels. It's like a breath of fresh air, giving you a blank canvas to work with. Now let's talk about defining your spaces. Creating distinct zones for different activities can make your outdoor area more functional and enjoyable. Just like inside your home, creating designated areas for different activities can make your outdoor space feel more intentional and functional. Think about what you want to do in your outdoor space and plan accordingly. If you love to entertain, consider creating a dedicated dining area with a table and chairs. This will make hosting outdoor dinners and parties a breeze. If you prefer a more relaxed vibe, set up a cozy seating area with comfy chairs, a hammock, or even a swinging bench. This can be your go-to spot for reading, napping, or simply enjoying the outdoors. And speaking of seating, let's get creative. There are so many unique and budget-friendly options out there. You don't have to spend a fortune on outdoor furniture. With a little creativity, you can create beautiful and functional pieces on a budget. Pallets are a DIYer's best friend. They are versatile, affordable, and can be transformed into a variety of furniture pieces. With a little sanding, paint, and creativity, you can transform those humble wooden pallets into stylish and functional furniture pieces. Now let's talk ambiance. The right lighting can make all the difference. Lighting is key to creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in any outdoor space. It sets the mood and can make your space feel magical. String lights are a classic choice. They are easy to install and add a touch of whimsy and magic to any setting. You can drape them over trees, along fences, or across your patio to create a cozy and enchanting atmosphere. Stepping back, you'll be amazed by the transformation. What was once an overgrown and neglected space is now a beautiful and inviting outdoor oasis. Your outdoor space is now an extension of your home, a place where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the beauty of nature in style and comfort. It's your personal retreat, right in your own backyard. And that's a wrap. From living rooms to outdoor spaces, these DIY home renovation projects prove you don't need a huge budget to make a big impact. With creativity, patience, and a bit of elbow grease, you can transform your home into a space you'll love. If you enjoyed these projects, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more inspiring DIY content. See you in the next video.